Hello all, my name is Praveen M. I am MCOM third semester student of Government College Tripunithura. I am going to make a presentation on the topic Performance Evaluation of Mutual Funds in India. Co-authors of this paper are Nina Merina, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government College Tripunithura, and Dr. Vinith K.M., Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government College Tripunithura. Now we can move to the introductory part of the paper. Introduction. We invest our funds in order to enhance our future welfare. That is the basic concept behind every investment. We all know that. Funds that we make use in order to make our investment that either be owned, borrowed, savings or foregone consumption. By foregoing consumption of today and investing the savings, we expect to enhance our future consumption possibilities. Investment involves making of a sacrifice in the present with the hope of deriving future benefits. Now we can move to the statement of the problem. Statement of the problem. In financial terms, a portfolio is a collection of financial investments like stocks, bonds, cash, cash equivalents, etc. Many investors mistakenly base the success of their portfolios on returns alone. Few investors consider the risk involved in achieving those returns. Today, there are three sets of performance measurement tools to assist with portfolio evaluations. This paper aims to assess the returns of CRISIL rated mutual funds. Suitable further tools shall also be used to compare the risk in detail. Now we can move to the objective of the paper. Objective. The objective of the study is to compare the performance of CRISIL rated mutual funds. Then methodology. The study is descriptive in nature, analyzing returns of the CRISIL rated mutual funds across fund houses and fund categories for performance. Then we can move to results. Results. There is a graph of 5-year annualized returns of Indian mutual funds. In this graph, on the basis of 5-year annualized return, what can we see is that returns are ranges from 11% to 12% return on an annual basis to negative return of 3% to 4%. Now we will be looking into details, cross fund houses and different forms of schemes. Table 1 is the comparison of returns across fund houses. In this table, we can see different fund houses and their returns in different periods. By observing this table, we get three major findings. They are BOA, AXA, HDFC, IIFL, Nippon India, Quant, Templeton are having superior returns in very short period. Second finding is that ICICI Prudential, PGIM, Mirae Asset, Quant are having superior returns in short period. Third and final finding is that Aditya Birla Sun Life, Axis, Mirae Asset, IIFL are found to be the prominent AMCs are creating returns in long period. Table 2 is the comparison of returns across CRISIL rating. Here also, by observing this table, we get three major findings. First one is funds with CRISIL rating of 1 star had superior returns in 1 week and the difference is found to be statistically significant. Second finding is funds returns are not statistically significant in 1 month period and 3 month period. Third and final finding is funds returns are found to be superior in funds with 4-star and 5-star rating in the periods from 6 months onwards, and the same is found to be statistically significant. Then we can move to the third table. Table 3 is the comparison of returns across fund category. Here we can see subcategories and their returns in different periods. By observing this table, we get 9 findings. First finding is small cap and value funds provided superior returns in 1 week period, and the same is found statistically significant. The second one is the small cap funds and mid cap funds provided superior returns in 1 month period, and the same is found statistically significant. Next finding is small cap funds and contra funds provided superior returns in 3 months period, and the same is found statistically significant. Fourth one is contra funds and dividend funds provided superior returns though negative in 6 months period, and the same is found to be statistically significant. Next one is dividend yield funds and mid-cap funds provided superior returns in 1 year period, and the same is found to be statistically significant. Sixth one is focused funds and large cap funds provided superior returns in 2 years period though negative, and the same is found to be statistically significant. Next one is contra funds and large cap funds provided superior returns in 3 year period, and the same is found to be statistically significant. Eighth one is contra funds and focused funds provided superior returns in the 4 year period, and the same is found to be statistically significant. Last finding is small cap funds and mid cap funds provided superior returns in 10 year period, and the same is found to be statistically significant. Now we can move to discussion. Discussion. Fund house and investment objective appear to be strong parameters for choosing mutual funds for investments considering the returns. Quality in portfolio management is often reflected in the ratings. Thank you for your listening.